Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Holly Off-Road Park in Holly, Michigan for Detroit 4Fest, and Jeep is here with a bunch of their Easter Jeep Safari concepts. This one here is the four-door Honcho concept that they showed off earlier this year. And again, this is my second time seeing this vehicle, but again, I wanted to go through and kind of show you just how cool this concept is. Now, they had a white version of this truck, but it was a two-door. This is a true four-door Gladiator. So what's really cool about this thing is check out the 40-inch All-Terrain KO3s on it. It's got a JR adjustable suspension, air suspension on it too, locking hubs, really cool retro graphics all over the thing. Super slick, looks good with those steel wheels. I love the retro look to it. Inside, it's really cool because the design studio really knows how to do their little details. So like even the exterior colors are woven into the dash. You can see it's got a bunch of Jeep Performance parts in it, like the rail system on the dash, cat skin Jeep Performance seats. The back still got Performance seats. And it has a whole rear decked system, storage compartment in the back of the bed. So some of these parts are conceptual, like the actual bar that goes up, the roll bar in the back, but some of these products are actually in production, and you can go to Jeep Performance Parts' website on the Mopar.com and actually order some of these. Those wheels, those steel wheels are absolutely killer. They say Mopar design in them with the Honcho logo. It's just the little subtle things that make this thing stand out. Of course, Jeep Performance Parts rock sliders, you can get those right now. And again, if you come over to the front, Warn winch, massive tow hooks, super clean build, shorty fenders. So leave your comments below. What do you think of the four-door Honcho concept for this year? Tell me what you think down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.